Sawadee krap. This is the review of Marina Beach Resort in Lamai. Very nice place, as you can see, right on the beach, and it's in the center of Lamai. And they have a very nice bungalow and a nice room also. And I will show you the room at the end of the video, and I will tell you how much is it per night. And now I will show you the room. Let's take a look at the room and at the bungalow inside. So this is the room, a deluxe room, a superior room, or
superior room.
Superior room.
Yes.
Bathroom, very nice. Safety deposit box. And this door go where? On the back. You also have a small balcony at the back. Very nice view to relax. Let's take a look at the room inside. And this room is how much per night?
1,000 baht.
1,000 baht per night. Wow. So this is a bungalow. And how much is it, this one, for per night?
1,200 baht.
1,200 baht.
Yes.
Very nice bungalow. The beach is just here. 1 minute to walk. Oh, the bungalow is really big inside. Aircon. Safe deposit box. Very big and nice bathroom. Very nice view. So that was a tour of Marina Beach Resort. Subscribe now to see the next review of all the hotels here in Lamai, Chaweng, and the last update of the situation. And see you for the next video.